From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Dubai's culinary innovation, the Dubai Taco. Dubai, a global hub for gastronomic creativity, is home to countless fusion restaurants that redefine traditional dishes. The Dubai Taco exemplifies this innovation, a modern, luxurious, or creatively reimagined take on the classic Mexican taco, crafted in the heart of the city, in Dubai's high-end dining scene, such as the restaurants in the Burj Al Arab or five-star hotels. Gourmet tacos feature premium ingredients like Wagyu beef, truffle, or even gold leaf, elevating the dish to new heights of opulence. Beyond luxury, some chefs artfully blend Mexican and Middle Eastern flavors, incorporating shawarma spiced meats, hummus, or other regional touches into their taco creations. Renowned chefs like Jose Andres, who has a presence in Dubai, have also contributed their own unique twists on the dish. The Dubai Food Festival, celebrated worldwide, attracts top culinary talent, fostering an environment where chefs experiment with cross-cultural inspirations. It was in this vibrant setting that the Dubai Taco was born, a dish that honors the essence of the traditional taco while embracing local flavors. What began as a local phenomenon soon became a global trend. From London to Los Angeles, chefs drew inspiration from Dubai's bold, luxurious interpretation, proving that culinary innovation knows no borders. More than just a meal, the Dubai Taco represents cultural exchange, boundless creativity, and the city's relentless drive to reinvent the familiar.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.